I want you to stop eating this unhealthy synthetic food. You have the ability to grow huge amounts of food in your backyard. Torpedopot will do it for you. You don't need to do what you're doing anymore. Torpedopot grows your food. You don't need to grow your food anymore. It can feed large amounts of people. These Torpedopots, once they're set up, if one planter can do 30 beets, and we have approximately about 100 planters growing our food, we produce more food than a local farm.
Oh man, I see a scientific breakthrough, you know, with such a huge beets and, you know, this leaves and, you know, it's amazing. I cannot wait to cook it. And
Growing food. We take a different approach. This pot has been designed to grow fungus. All you have to do is put your seeds in or put your seedlings in, walk away for the rest of the year, and it grows your food for you. You plug up a little hose in the back, you turn a knob in the front. Torpedopot grows your food. All you do is put your seeds in that planter. You never water, you never feed. All you do is supplement. It requires no synthetic fertilizers at all. And you'll get this all of the time. Isn't that beautiful? That is so beautiful. That's 3,000 beets I can pull out of my planters by using a household spigot to grow my food. Oh, dude, look at you, look at that.
Buried.
Give me, I'll hold the cup. Give me, okay. Shake the dirt off in there. And this is from seeds, okay, guys? Look at this. Holy moly, look at that, man. Woo! We realize a lot of people use fertilizers in their to feed their plants. And what we try to tell individuals is that fertilizers, they're like a drug. What you do is that you put the fertilizer in and it goes to the plant's root system and the plant absorbs it up. But the plant is not going out and reaching and getting its food. The plant is not existing in an environment, a natural environment, where the microbes and the fungus are there to help break down those particulates and make them available to the soil. So you don't have that building soil process. You simply throw your fertilizers in, it goes up into the plant, and it's like a stimulus to make the plants behave in a certain way, not with Torpedopot. OMG, guys, these are Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. They grow your food for you. I just took my seeds and I threw them in the planter. I never water. I never feed. All I do is supplement. And guess what I get? I get perfect food all the time. I get food that's alive, it's perfect. It's beautiful. It's huge, it's gorgeous. Unbelievably gorgeous and big. That's what my Torpedopot does. My Torpedopot grows my food for me with no human intervention. Wow, look at that, Jeff.
Oh yeah.
Man, dude. Jeez, man.
Got me some beets.
Yeah.
Oh
my
chop
gosh,
these bad
man.
boys up.
Dude, now you know I eat the leaves too on these
You eat
things.
the leaves, right?
Yeah, all the time, man. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? This is what grows in your self-growing planter. And simply all you do is pull it out and enjoy life and eat it. Nobody's controlling you with your food supply. You have complete control over your food supply with Torpedopot. With Torpedopot, all you do is put your plants in and your seeds in, you set it, move your food. I want you to stop eating this unhealthy synthetic food. You have the ability to grow huge amounts of food in your backyard. Torpedopot will do it for you. You don't need to do what you're doing anymore. You're killing yourself with fertilizers and all this other stuff. With Torpedopot, all you do is throw your seeds in. It waters your plants for you. It feeds your plants for you. All you need to do is to supplement the soil. And you'll get the same thing I have. Healthy, nutritious food that will feed you and your family for the rest of your lives. Torpedopot grows your food. You don't need to grow your food anymore. It can feed large amounts of people. These Torpedopots, once they're set up, if one planter can do 30 beets, and we have approximately about 100 planters growing our food, we produce more food than a local farm. Guys, these are Torpedopots. These are self-growing flower pots. They grew my beets for me, and they're beautiful.